how to receive document upload notifications. All right, so document upload notifications are set at the user level, at the user profile level. So if we go to users and contacts, let's start with the back office users here. If we go into the back office list and we go into a back office profile, back office user profile, we can come down to the documents and notifications section. And this is where you'll see those notifications. So this back office user, do we want to notify them if a back office user has uploaded a document? If so, you want to turn that on. Do you want to notify if a loan officer has uploaded a document? You can choose to turn that on, turn that off. And then you can choose to notify if a branch user has uploaded a document. You have that toggle switch right there. And then you have notify if the broker users has uploaded a document, right? And then the main one is notify if borrowers or clients have uploaded a document. So, those are the options right here. You can turn those on or off for each of those. Whether you want to be notified whether any of these other users have uploaded documents, like somebody on the team, brokers, back office users, branch, or whether the borrowers have uploaded documents. You can set those up individually. So those are the options. And you will receive notification. If you do have that on, you will receive notifications for each document that they upload. Okay. So that's the option. Same thing if you go to other users, they're going to have those same options right there. Then you do have the option now uh, to alert specific people when a specific document has been uploaded. And so for that, if you go to your required documents, let's go to settings, platform settings, and required docs. So now we're in the list of documents, right? And each of these documents, let's just say for whatever reason, we wanted to notify somebody on the team when when somebody has uploaded a specific document, right? So let's say this business bank statements, and we wanted to alert a specific person on our team whenever somebody uploads that document on any loan files. We can come in here, click on the edit button for that document. We can scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here where it says, do you want to email anyone when a document is uploaded to this container? So we can say yes. And we can put the email address here. So let's say I want to put Oscar at LendingWise.com, right? And you can add more people if you add a semicolon right there. You can add multiple people. And then you can choose, do you want to attach the actual uploaded document to the email? So you can say yes or no. And then you can choose to only send this email when the file status is in a certain file status, right? So maybe it will only trigger that when it's in a certain file status. And then you would pick the file status here. You could choose more than one. Maybe you want to choose all except one. You have all those options there. Or we could just leave that blank. And let's say we would just want to receive it every single time any borrower, any user uploads this specific document, which we're in right now, the business bank statements, were as an example, right? If we wanted this person to receive notification every time this specific document has been uploaded. And then we just hit save, and that will send out a notification anytime on any of the loan files, anytime somebody uploads that document. All right. So those are the options for the uploaded document notifications.